best 5G phones of 2024. 5G is the latest generation of mobile connectivity and has replaced the 4G due to its high speed and other upgraded features. Currently, every smartphone available in the US market of brands, including Apple, Samsung, and Google, supports the 5G network. Apple tends to be pricey. There are also plenty of affordable 5G options, such as the Google Pixel 8a smartphone. As there are many options, Gad Insider has put together a list of the top 5G-enabled phones you can buy right now. iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple's latest iPhone 15 Pro Max could be easily called the best 5G phone available, offering a variety of features, including a new customizable action button, powerful camera upgrades, and the new A17 Pro processor. These upgrades make the iPhone 15 Pro Max better and faster as compared to its older generations. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the best 5G phone available for Android users. It has an overall impressive performance and a long-lasting battery life. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also offers top-performing cameras with sharper zooms than ever. With the support of Galaxy AI, it offers many intriguing features. It's available for $1,299 at Samsung stores. Google Pixel 8a. Google's Pixel A series smartphones are known for offering great features at a low cost. Similarly, the Google Pixel 8a also has an affordable price when compared to other 5G Android phones. It delivers the best AI capabilities and also uses the Tensor G3 chipset, therefore supports circle search and swap-in faces feature. Google hasn't raised its prices and is available at $499. OnePlus 12. OnePlus 12 features a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset similar to the one found in Samsung's latest flagships, meaning it gives top performance. OnePlus also provides 5G connectivity and a long-lasting battery life. It can be a good alternative for Android users who don't want to spend much on a high-quality 5G phone. It's available for $799 in the market.